So over here you can see that I have an audio clip, and if I were to go around and bring it over here in my timeline and hit the play button, you hear that there's some noise in it. This is a test record. So now what I want to do is I want to remove out this noise. So in order to do that, simply double click on the audio, and over here you have an option called remove background noise. So what you have to make sure is that the first few seconds should be noise right here for it to properly analyze it out. So if I were to go around over here, so right now the noise removal is set to weak, as you can see. So if I were to play this out, you can see that it reduces a bit, but not too much. This is a test. If you want to reduce it further, then you can go to the medium settings right here. This is, so it's a bit better, but if you really want to go high, you can go for strong levels as well. So you can see that it is much more silent compared to before. This is a test recording audio, but it does tunes out the voice as well. So you have to be careful not to overdo it and not to go over strong unless you really have to, just like that. And that is how you can work around with removing the background noise, that is background audio noise inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.